This challenge is about error handling and exception handling, and more specifically about processes which you want to run regardless of whether an error or exception was thrown or not. And so here we have a simple try catch block. As you can see, there's a potential for a webhook exception to be thrown here, but even if that exception is thrown, we still want this logger info method to be called. So the challenge for you is this: edit this script so that logger info is always called at the end, even if a webhook exception is thrown. If you think you're up to it, pause me now and give it a go. Okay, so some challenges are ones which you can either work out or figure out with the code, and some challenges you either know it or you don't. And this is one of the latter. You either know this or you don't. So what you need here is a finally block, and a finally block will always run regardless of whether an error or exception was thrown or not. And so we're trying the code, we're going to catch any exceptions, but we're also going to run this block whether the code runs successfully or whether an exception was thrown. So quick run here, all goes well, run again, we get an exception, but as you can see, we're actually logging this info here, info all webhooks processed. So how did you get on? Well done if you knew that one and you gave it a go. If you didn't know it, you've just learned something new. Let me know what else you want to see in these challenges, and I'll see you in the next one.